If you're serious about affiliate marketing, you need to watch this video. I'm going to tell you the real deal on Jet Video Academy. First, let me introduce myself. My name is David, and I've been an affiliate marketer and YouTuber for 10 years. And I've seen a lot of things. I know what works and I know what doesn't work. And in this video, I'm going to break down Jet Video Academy for you. I'm going to show you behind the curtain what's in there, what the course looks like, and discuss if it's worth your money. And then if you decide to buy it, I want you to stick around because I'm going to give you a ton of bonuses that will make Jet Video Academy much more powerful. So let's get into it. Jet Video Academy was created by two gentlemen. One is Alan of Smart Money Tactics, and the other is Greg of Caffeinated Blogger. And I wanted to show you their YouTube channels really quick. All right, this is Alan's Smart Money Tactics YouTube channel. And I want you to take a look here. He's got over 500,000 subscribers and 1.2 thousand videos. And if we click on the more link here, you can see that he created his channel in mid 2018. So this guy has a ton of experience making money on YouTube, and his numbers are going to blow you away. All right, and then we have Caffeinated Blogger. Caffeinated Blogger is Greg's channel, and you can see he also has close to 500,000 subscribers, only 345 videos, so quite a bit less than Greg, but still makes a ton of money. And he started his channel in 2011. And these guys teamed up to make Jet Video Academy. All right, and real quick, and I know this isn't about Jet Video Academy, but I just want to show you because I want you to know that I have experience doing this. So I have a channel called The Wholesaler's Toolbox in the real estate niche, and my primary focus with this channel is affiliate marketing. And I've also started a new channel, Beach Bum University, that talks about affiliate marketing. So like I said, I've been in this business for 10 years and I know what I'm talking about. All right. So now let's go ahead and hop over to Jet Video Academy and start taking a look at that. All right, so once you join Jet Video Academy and log in, this is what you see. This is the welcome page, and obviously it's where you start taking the course and clicking on the modules and going through it. But importantly, it's also where the Facebook group is, the coaching and mentoring group, so you can log in there. And also you have access to the bonuses here. And these are some powerful bonuses that you're really going to want to watch and implement into your system. All right, so let's hop over to the first module and talk about that for a second. First module, introduction. This is really where just Alan and Greg dive into how much money they've made on YouTube. This was so powerful to me because, again, I've been doing this for 10 years, but I'm not always the most consistent guy, and I'm always trying to reinvent the wheel with what I'm doing, you know, with YouTube and with websites and with all that stuff. And these two gentlemen, to show the sheer power of being consistent, both of them post consistently, and both of them make a gob of money. I don't want to spoil it for you, but it's well into the six figures. And it's going to blow you away on what they're doing. All right, so you've got those videos where they're talking about their results. They talk about why YouTube is such a great platform. And I'll give you a little teaser. YouTube, for the most part, is very evergreen if you're doing long form content, meaning that if you post something on YouTube, it's there for years sometimes, right? People, when they're going on YouTube searching for something, a video that's been made 5 years ago, 7 years ago, can still be coming up in search results. Also, in my experience, if you create the videos right, like these guys are going to show you, and entitle them right, they'll also show up in Google search results. So not only in YouTube, but when somebody Googles something, your video will come up, and that's extremely powerful. Right? So they go into why YouTube, and they talk about the life of a channel, how your channel grows and changes over time, right? So also really good content. So now let's hop into Module 2. Module 2, they're just going to go over the equipment that they use, what equipment they use. And, you can do this simply, or you can get more complex. Some guys have, expensive cameras and all that stuff, expensive microphones. Some people can just do it with just their computer, just the microphone and the camera on their computer. So literally you don't need much equipment, if any, to start this. If you've already got a laptop or a desktop computer, you're about ready to go. But they get into, to all the things that they use to make YouTube videos, all right, and to, thumbnails and all that. Next is niche selection, and this is really important, right? Because when you go into YouTube, you need to have a defined niche, and they really break it down, right? What are you good at, or what do you have a passion about, or what are you interested in? And they talk about all those things. But how you make money on YouTube, picking a niche part 2, they rotate between videos. Sometimes Alan does it, sometimes Greg does it, but you can see picking a name, picking a niche, all that stuff is included in module 3. All right, module 4, they walk you through channel setup, right? I don't know how to set up a YouTube channel, but they're going to show you how to set up the channel, how to create the art, like the banners and stuff that you see on the channels, how to do all that, customizing the layout of your channel, the settings, everything you need to know, right? It's step by step. So if you've never done this before, it's easy to follow along. Also, if you're, a business owner, you're like I said, you're brand new, you're a business owner, you need more traffic to your business, you're already an existing affiliate marketer, but maybe you've been kind of sloppy. This will clean up your process and the look of your channel, and in so doing, make you more money. All right, then we're just dive into the meat of it, right? Content creation, researching your video ideas, how to choose titles that get clicks. Again, very important, right? Because I've been in a lot of YouTube groups, and the majority of people don't understand that simple concept. How do I make a video that people find and click on? So you can make all the YouTube content you want. And I've seen people do it for years and not get any traction. But these guys will tell you how to get traction. They're going to give you the secret recipe to setting up your videos and choosing titles that are going to show up in search results and people are going to click on. Crazy important, right? Keywords, tags, ranking, all of the stuff. Generating lists of keywords, validating keyword ideas. You get the picture. They're walking you through all of it. Planning out your video, hook, intro, the body of the video. I did this a little bit when I started making this video. What's my layout going to be, right? All of it. Video editing. Sometimes you don't have to do a lot of editing. Some people don't do any editing at all. We all mess up when we're talking. And on this video, I've started again a few times because I screwed something up, but they're going to teach you how to do it, right? Thumbnails I talked about. That's huge, right? Because you wanted an attractive thumbnail so people click on your video. We got a bonus video here talking about long form and short form, and they go into the differences of, each and why you should do one or the other. All of it, right? So let's hop back up here and go into 6, uploading videos. And, best time to post videos, upload walkthrough. They're just going to show you how they do it, right? Setting up your description, tags you should use, all of it. Also very important, like when should I publish the video, when I'm going to get the most views, because what happens in the first 24 hours kind of determines what YouTube's going to do after that. Are they going to show it to more people? They're going to show it to less people, right? So you want the timing down. You want all this stuff done correctly. Making money, right? Recap on how YouTubers should make money. And, again, you can do it through ad revenue. on YouTube. You can do it through affiliate marketing. There's a different way. If you're promoting a business, you're going to do different things. So they're going to recap and go through all the ways you can make money, monetizing options on YouTube, right? There are ad monetization policy on YouTube, right? You get the hint, all of it. YouTube Shorts. I'm not a YouTube Shorts guy, I'll be honest with you, but a lot of people make YouTube Shorts and they're very successful at it in driving traffic to their long form content. And that's a great thing in affiliate marketing, because you make, everybody scrolling through Shorts or through TikTok or through Instagram on the short form, but then you want to drive them to the content that makes you money. So they go deep into, making shorts, right? Benefits of short videos, limitation of YouTube Shorts, all the stuff on short videos. And you can apply this to other platforms. They're just talking specifically about YouTube. All right. And we go into YouTube Studio. They break that down for you. So, how to check your analytics in YouTube Studio. I'm not going to get deep into analytics, but they break it all down for you, right? What to watch, so if a video is making you money and all that, right? That's important because we want to make money. That's why we're doing this. And then the last module is they talk about how to get your first 1,000 subscribers to your channel. And although subscribers are important, because like I said, when you launch a video, they're going to show it to your subscribers first. And they're going to say, how long are these people watching? Are they clicking the thumbnail? All those things. So growing a good subscriber base is really important, because that's going to help determine if YouTube is going to show your video to people outside your subscriber base, right? Do we want to put it out there on the suggested videos and on the homepage for other people to click on, right? So great information. We have the bonuses section that we can pop over to here. Lots of bonuses. I'm not going to scroll down through all of it because I don't want to give it all away. But a lot of bonuses for you. This is a incredible course. I've bought a lot of courses. And there's courses, if you just, if you don't want to make money on YouTube, there's a lot of courses that will just show you how to make content, right? And do funny videos and all that stuff. But as an affiliate marketer, I like this course. This is the best course that I've ever purchased for making money on YouTube. Right? It doesn't apply to everybody, but it applied to me. This is what I do for a living, and it's given me a great life and continues to. So if you want to build a channel that makes you money, highly recommend this course. My one con to this course, and I like to give pros and cons. The con is I would like to see the Facebook group more active. It's not that active. A lot of people in there, a lot of people bought the course, but sometimes Facebook groups get stagnant. So I'm always in my Facebook group, the Beach Bum University Facebook group. So you sign up for Jet Video Academy. I'm going to send you the link to my group, my Beach Bum University group. Okay, so I want you to be in there. I want you to be in both groups, honestly, but I want you to be in my group too, because I like to connect with people doing the same thing that I'm doing, or people new to it that I can kind of help out along the way. I don't have a course. I'm not selling you anything. I just want to be there to support you. Okay. So sign up with my link, get all the bonuses, get a discount off the price of the course, and also join my group. Okay. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button. Please comment, because then that pushes this out. Like we talked about engagement. If you do all that stuff on my video, it's going to show other people, and hopefully they get some value from this too. Okay. Thanks for watching.